Military map symbols consist of a frame, a main icon, which is an indicator of the unit's role, modifiers, and amplifiers. First, we have the frame. This will be a solid line if you know what the unit role indicator is, or a broken line if you are unsure of what the unit role indicator is. For the next example, we will use a solid line. The main icon depicting the unit role indicator goes inside of the frame. Examples of main icons include information operations, interpreter translator, public affairs, and missile defense. In addition to the main icon, modifiers are also included inside of the icon frame. Modifiers provide additional information relevant to the type of unit being depicted, including unit capabilities or echelon of support. Some examples are chemical, which is depicted by a C, brigade, which is depicted by an X, or combat, which is depicted by CBT. Additional modifiers are placed below the main icon. Some examples include decontamination depicted by a D, heavy depicted by an H, high altitude depicted by HA, and direction finding depicted by an upward-facing arrow. Now that we understand that only the main icon and the modifiers go inside of the frame, let's talk about the other items that go outside of the frame. The unit size, if known, is placed directly above the frame, depicting the size of the units or the installations. Let's take a look at some examples. Here we have a chart that indicates which symbols are used for different size units. Based on this chart, we can tell that the top symbol is referring to a platoon or detachment, the middle symbol is referring to a team or crew, while the bottom symbol is referring to a company, battery, or troop. There are two more items that surround the frame. The unit identification goes on the left side of the frame, while the higher echelon goes on the right side of the frame. Now that you understand how to develop tactical map symbols, let's do some practice exercises.